The iQOO 9 Pro is the most premium and powerful smartphone in the all-new iQOO 9 series. The handset is powered by the Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 mobile chipset and offers blazing fast 120-watt fast charging support. The promising spec sheet also includes a gorgeous 10-bit 2K AMOLED display with fluid 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, gimbal stabilized triple lens camera system, and Android 12 out of the box. The iQOO 9 Pro is our daily driver of the week, and here's what we think about it. But first, let's have a quick glimpse of what you get in the box when you buy the all new iQOO 9 Pro. The iQOO 9 Pro has a very eye-catchy design. The curved display, slim chassis, and the exquisitely designed back panel gives the device a very unique and head-turning appearance. We are testing the Legend Color variant that looks no less than any limited edition device with its BMW-inspired racing lines and the unique matte finish back panel flaunting soft-touch AG glass that remains smudge-free. The phone is also available in dark cruise variant that flaunts a bulletproof armide fiber material developed by DuPont. As far as the ergonomics are concerned, the iQOO 9 Pro is best used with two hands. The big 6.8 inches screen gives the handset a phablet-like form factor which demands two hands for a comfortable use. Moving on, we were expecting the phone to offer a solid IP rating, but it only ships with IP52 splash resistance. The phone also lacks a 3.5mm audio jack, but the brand offers a Type-C to 3.5mm connector in the box, which should come in handy. Coming on to the display, the iQOO 9 Pro flaunts a 6.78 inches curved 2K E5 AMOLED display and gets stereo speaker support. Since iQOO has used a 10-bit panel, graphics-intensive games and high-quality video content looks extremely vivid and immersive. You can enjoy HDR content on the supported OTT platforms as the panel supports HDR10+ and has a max peak brightness of 1500 nits. The UI navigation and scrolling is buttery smooth as the panel supports 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and has 300Hz touch sampling rate. More on the display performance in our comprehensive review of the smartphone. Let's talk about hardware. The iQOO 9 Pro is powered by the flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 mobile processor. Built on the 4nm fabrication process, the chipset also supplies power to the Samsung's 2022 Galaxy S22 lineup for the Indian market, which will be priced much higher than the iQOO's offering. The phone also comes equipped with an intelligent display chip that benefits gaming experience. The smartphone uses LPDDR5 RAM and has UFS 3.1 storage that ensures smooth and lag-free multitasking performance. This is a solid hardware for the asking price and seems to be delivering on all performance aspects. We ran some benchmarks on our 12GB RAM variant and recorded some excellent numbers. The smartphone scored 850,000 points in Antutu and ensured 74% stability in the power-intensive Wildlife Extreme Stress test. As far as the software is concerned, the iQOO 9 Pro runs the latest Android 12 out of the box and should receive at least two major Android software installments. The smartphone runs the latest FunTouch OS 12 Global Skin, which runs smoothly and has a fair share of utilities and customization features. However, iQOO should do something about the high number of bloatware that comes preloaded on the premium smartphone. We also did some gaming on the iQOO 9 Pro and it was a real fun thanks to the 2K AMOLED display and the solid hardware underneath. Popular game titles ran without any glitches and we didn't encounter any frame drops. Graphics look immersive as a discrete graphics chip upgrades the SDR games to HDR and enhances the overall visual experience. You also get a host of game-centric utilities such as 4D vibration that comes handy while playing games like BGMI and Asphalt 9. The phone also has an esports mode that optimizes the hardware and limits notifications for a seamless gaming experience. We did experience some heating issues though. The phone heats up with demanding tasks, especially with graphics intensive games such as BGMI, Asphalt 9, and while running some benchmarks, the phone's core temperature spiked to 48 degrees Celsius. The heat signatures were mostly recorded at the back panel and the metallic frame that became too hot to hold the device. We had to stop using the handset for at least 10 minutes to let it cool down before use. The new Qualcomm chip seems to be the reason behind such overheating issues, or it can be poor software optimization. How badly it affects the overall performance is something we will find out in our comprehensive review. Coming on to the camera, the iQOO 9 Pro reminds us of the Vivo X series smartphones. The phone has a triple lens camera featuring a 50 megapixel GN5 gimbal stabilized sensor that shoots jitter-free videos in high resolution. It is accompanied by a 50 megapixel sensor but of wide-angle nature, offering 150-degree fisheye view. The third lens in the configuration is a 16 megapixel 60mm portrait lens offering 2.5x optical zoom. The camera app is loaded with features to help you make the most out of this capable hardware. The picture and video quality seem good, but we still need some time to fully test the camera system. Here are some camera samples we took in our initial testing of the smartphone. Similar to some recent Xiaomi devices, the iQOO 9 Pro also brings insane fast charging speeds. The smartphone comes equipped with the fastest fast charging technology available in the Indian market, that is the 120-watt flash charge. It refuels the phone's 4700 mAh battery from flat to 100% in about 21 minutes. Moreover, the handset also supports 50-watt wireless charging, which is higher than some of the wired fast charging tech offered on flagship devices. The iQOO 9 Pro packs a lot of technology but also asks a hefty price for the package. For Rs 65,000, that is the starting price of the handset, the phone offers the latest flagship chipset, a vibrant 2K AMOLED display and 120-watt fast charging. It runs Android 12 out of the box and brings a good camera hardware capable of recording very stable videos. If you're planning to invest in a premium phone, the iQOO 9 Pro can be one option. However, we would recommend you to wait for Samsung to drop its Galaxy S22 series. Meanwhile, we will spend some more time in testing the handset to find out if it justifies the pricing. Stay tuned and keep watching technology videos on Gizbot.